One. I'm looking around over the last 30 years, and there has never been another person talking like the guy shouting to you right now. But we've all been trading this way. Come on, man. Come on. Look. I didn't just step off the boat yesterday, buddy. Okay. This has got to have some credibility applied to it. Where are you getting that from? That's just a new angle. That's just a new angle to discourage you and say, you know what? You're right. You're right, ICT, but I'm never going to say it publicly. But we're just going to tap out and say, you know, we're all trading the same things anyway. Well, it's funny because I don't see them getting in there at the consequent encroachment of a fair value gap like I do and use 1.5 handle stop losses and dare the market to hit it, and it doesn't. You don't see that. You don't see one 20-year-old kid learning how to talk like me and my profitable, consistent students doing that. Do you? No, you don't. So don't pretend. Don't bring the rhetoric like you do it, because you don't. You didn't discover anything but me. And some of you are disheartened because you didn't find me soon enough. Just be thankful that you did. Just be thankful. It gets better. It gets better. There's no upsell. There's no mentorship to swipe a credit card for. And I don't lose interest in teaching it. So all you repackaging guys out there, you have a broad, bright future, baby. You got fresh bread coming. And it won't break me. I don't lose sleep over that. I know what you guys are doing. I get it. I get it. You need to eat. You need to find your place in the world. I get it. But for the people that want to learn, stop looking to follow attention-seeking people. I promise you the most sincere advice I can give you is that. Because if they had your best interest in mind, if they really wanted to teach because they love what they do and they can do it regardless and make money, they would do it for free. They would do it for free. I promise you they would do it for free. If they were really rich, if they could really make hundreds of thousands of dollars in a day, anytime they want to sit down in front of a chart and do that, they would teach for free. If they were the greatest of all time, they were the GOAT. Instead of showing themselves flying around on an airplane that was paid for by mentorship people paying, they would teach for free. But they need that income. They need that money. They need it. And for the folks who want to know, ICT's only got his model together so he can sell it on ad revenue. You know what I earn a day on ad revenue? You ready for this? You ready? $500 a day. Holy smokes, man, a lot. I'm getting ready to go down to Virginia and buy a Z06 for $170,000 cash. And I promise you, ad revenue can't pay for that. I promise you it can't, okay? It can't do it. Listen, all the penny pinching, counting, pocket watchers out there, they're always going to come. If you put yourself out there in the world, they're going to come at you too. Because these people are constantly hateful and miserable. If they were profitable, if they knew what they were doing, they don't have time to be negative. There's no point in being negative. If these people are successful traders and they make money, why are they so angry and bitter all the time? I'm walking around like I got Viagra in me every single day. I'm happy about it all. I'm happy when people are making money. I don't care if it's with my stuff or not. It's great when it is, but I love seeing success stories. I love seeing other people do well. I love seeing other people overcompensate, okay, for the weaknesses they hold on to and disarm themselves. So, I'm not going to hold that anymore. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to start looking at things differently. I'm not going to dwell on the things that I can't do well right now because I know I'm working towards doing it better in the future. And I'm not going to be discouraged by anybody that says otherwise. If your circle of influence, you're letting people into your circle of influence and they're prideful and they're beating their chest and they're the best and they're the GOAT and they can do, nobody's be able to do it better than them and blah, blah, blah. And they got a price tag at the end of it. Join my so-and-so. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. That's a sales pitch. And I promise you, $1 to a donut, that my sales pitch is better. I'm free. I am the definition of free. I don't need to do anything for money. I don't ever need to trade again. I don't ever have to teach anything because I've taught how you're supposed to do this. This lecture that I just gave the last 2 weeks, that was going to be my last public soiree as an educator. I have books coming. And the books will, for my most due diligent following students that have really poured in the time and energy, you don't need to buy these books, I promise you. I don't need your money for it. The only purpose I have by writing them is to simply have it in writing from my own words the right way. Because there's a lot of people out there that have my stuff in books. And it's astonishing to see how many books have been written about me and my work. And largely, they're incomplete. And there is no book out there that teaches it the way I've taught it entirely and what I intend to show. So everything that I have in the books coming is in that YouTube channel. So listen to me when I'm telling you, I'm not trying to make money off of stupid people, which is what the flavor of the month is right now. The flavor of the month right now is keep stupid people entertained long enough to make money off of them. That's it. That's what's going on right now. And to me, that's shocking. It's disgusting. And frankly, it's short-lived. I promise you it's going to fall quick. So you have a choice. You can either waste your time and following people like that really don't have your genuine best interest at heart. You're a commodity to them. I'm talking right now on a Saturday where I could be fishing. I could be spending time with the 2 puppies I still have that are here with me. I could be shopping. I could be doing a number of things with my time. I'm giving you my time, which is so expensive. And I'm even encouraging you to take it and put it on your YouTube channel and monetize it. Where's the logic in that if I'm a broke guy that just wants to make money off of you? Have you ever thought about that Generation Z? Huh? Have you thought about that one? I don't need anything from anyone, but I have a lot to share. And I love doing it because I know I have people in this community that absolutely appreciate the fact that I don't need to do this. And the stuff that I teach works better than anything ever will because I'm teaching you the market. I'm teaching you how the market will behave. I'm telling you when it will not behave properly. In closing, I'm going to ask you, did you pay attention to how NASDAQ December contract traded on Friday? Did you happen to notice that? Did you happen to notice what the daily high was and what the daily low was? Did you happen to notice that? Did you happen to notice that it was an inside day? It was not able to find its way below Thursday's low or above Thursday's high. Did you happen to notice that? Did you log it? Did you notice anything in particular about why it stopped at those levels? What else appeared intraday at those levels? What was useful information in? If you missed it, I got it for you Sunday. Sunday night, I'm going to post a review. That way you got it. And we'll start afresh on Monday. But